Welcome back to our classes. This is Mr. Walter teaching. Now we're going to look at moral concept today, the second chapter, that's chapter 2. We're going to focus on finding moles when given the masses. Now last time we looked at finding the masses out there of a given compound, that is the RFM and the rest out there. Now, I apologize for the video which I sent, which was inverted due to some technical problem and so on. Okay, now let us focus on today's chapter. Chapter 2, finding moles when given the masses. We can be given masses maybe of 40 grams of that, 40 grams of a given compound and so on. Now let us look at an example. If I look at sodium hydroxide over there, they can tell us to find the moles of sodium hydroxide in a given mass. So let us look at example 1 over there. So when I say example 1 over there, example 1. So I'm looking at maybe 100 grams of sodium hydroxide over there. So we want to find the number of moles of 100 grams of sodium hydroxide. Now we have the formula of sodium hydroxide given there, meaning I have 1 mole of of sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. From the notation, I think we remember that. From the notation of sodium, which is 11 and 23, of oxygen, which is 16 and 8, hydrogen, which is 1 out there, meaning the mass, we can get the mass from here out there. So if you look at that, let me look at this. So if I look at the relative formula mass, since it is a formula of sodium is 1, so 1 times 20 23 plus 16 times 1 over there, then plus this is hydrogen, which is 1 times 1. This gives me 23 plus 16 plus 1 over there, giving us a total of 40 grams. Meaning if I have, now don't put the grams because it is relative. Now if I have 40 grams, this is 1 mole over there, but they want us to find in 100 grams over there. Now when I have 40 grams as my RFM over there, it implies it is in 1 mole over there. Now look at this. Now meaning if I have 1 mole over there of a compound over there, it has 40 grams over there. That's 40 grams. That means 40 grams of sodium hydroxide contains 1 mole over there. Now what of the 100 grams they wanted? 100 grams of sodium hydroxide contains over there. So it's going to be, now what is here? 40 and 100. So 100 first out there. So 100 out of 40 times times 1 over there. So giving us, this is 1 there. This crosses. Now what do we have? We have 10 out of 4 times times 1. Now these are the moles over there. Are we clear? So that is how we find the number of moles in a given compound. Let us look at example 2 of there. What if they told us to find number of moles in a given mass? Example 2 over there. So example 2 over there. So example 2, let us look at something that is a bit common. Now what is the common thing? Common salt, sodium chloride over there. So maybe I want 58 grams of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is NaCl over there. Now I have 2 compounds. I have 2 elements here, sodium and chlorine. How do you go about this? Now what do we have? I have 58 grams of sodium chloride. From the notation, sodium has 23 grams out there, 23 grams. Chlorine has 35.5 grams. Meaning if I'm getting the RFM, so relative formula mass of sodium chloride, it has 1 sodium, so 1 times 23 out there, plus 35.5 out there, times what? Times 1. I'm getting 23 plus 35.5. When I add this is 0.5, so this is it. So I have something like this: 23, 35.5. This is 0.0, giving us 0.5. This is going to be 8, 50 what? 58. How there? Meaning I have 58 what? Grams. But remember, this implies it is in 1 what? 1 mole. Over there. So what do we have? Therefore, 58.5 grams of sodium what? Sodium chloride contains over there 1 what? 1 mole. Over there. What of the 58 grams they want? Over there. So it will be 58 grams of sodium chloride, which is our common salt. Over there. So contains over there. So it's going to be, this is 58 out of 58, sorry, out of 58.15 times 1. These are the what? The moles over there. So meaning implies our formula is going to be of finding the number of moles given masses. Now what is up? That is the mass. That means the number of moles is equal to the mass given over there, the mass of a given compound, out of the relative formula what? Mass. Over there. So we have derived the formula from there. Number of moles given the mass out of relative formula what? Mass. Remember, this is the mass in 1 mole. This is the mass which is given. Okay, thank you for listening. Tune in more and more. Now, don't forget to share this video with others. Don't learn alone. Thank you.